afternoon, everyone. My name is Tanya. I'm here at the Children's Museum of Brownsville, and today we will be creating another fun craft. So, to go along with our craft for today, I have a wonderful story. It's called Interrupting Chicken. This is a story about a little chicken who doesn't know when to stop talking. So, to go along with this book, we need to go over our materials so we can make our very own chicken. All right, so we're gonna need construction paper. I have red, orange, green, and yellow, but you can pretty much use any color that you'd like. We're gonna need some scissors, so remember, boys and girls, you're gonna definitely need your parents' permission and probably their help to do this craft. You're going to need paper plates, preferably white, because some chickens are white. If not, you can use crayons. All right, we're gonna need a pen. These are clothespins. These are going to be used for the chicken's legs. We need 2. We're going to use some googly eyes. We need some glue. And this is a picture of what the final product looks like, boys and girls. So this is what we're going to try to make. Are we ready? Okay, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is cut our paper plate in half. So we're going to use our scissors. And we're gonna cut right in half. We're only gonna use half of the plate, so you can share the other half with a friend, or you can save one for later. Okay, so this is what we're gonna use. Now we're going to use our construction paper to make the wings, the beak, and the tail. So I'm gonna use yellow for the chicken's beak. So I'm gonna use my pen to draw a triangle. And it depends on how big you wanna make the beak. I'm gonna make mine about this big. There's 2 triangles next to each other. And then I'm gonna use my scissors to cut them out. Looks like this. Okay. So that's the beak, and that part is gonna go right here, okay? So we have the beak, let's put it to the side. Now we're gonna use our hand to make the feathers for the tail. I'm gonna use green. So I'm gonna trace only about half my hand, and I'm gonna use my pen once again to trace. I'm gonna trace 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 fingers. So this is what the tail is gonna look like. And again, I'm gonna use my scissors. So you have to be very careful. Make sure you ask your parents, your mom or dad, for help. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and last finger. This is gonna make a wonderful chicken. All right, that's gonna be the tail. See how it's only about half my hand? That's all we need, okay? All right, next comes the wing. I want my wing to be orange. Okay, so I'm gonna use my pen or pencil once again. And this time we're only gonna use 3 fingers for the wing. So I'm gonna lay down my 3 fingers right on top of the paper, and I'm gonna trace them. Okay, that's 1, 2, and 3. And that's gonna be the chicken's wing. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my scissors once again to cut out 3 fingers. That's all we need. Okay. Perfect. The wing, and then I'm going to use, the last thing I'm going to use is the color red, and that's going to be for his feathers on his head, okay? And again, I'm going to use 3 fingers. I'm going to lay them on my paper, and I'm going to trace them with my pen. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now that I've traced them, I can cut one more time. Okay, we're done with our construction paper, so let's put it to the side. And now we're getting ready to glue. So first I'm going to glue one eye. And I'm going to use just a little bit of glue. It's going to go right here for the chicken's eye. That's one eye. You can do the back if you want as well, but I'm only going to do the front. So there's the eye. Next is the beak. So it's going to be glued on right there. So remember, we used yellow for the beak. Okay. Next is the tail. Do you see the tail? It's going to go right behind here. Okay. So let's put a little bit of glue once again for the green tail. Then comes the wing. The wing is going to go right here. So it's coming along. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue right in the center to put my wing. Okay. And last but not least, this is going to be the feathers on the top of his head. Okay. Okay. And the last thing we need are 2 feet. And you can actually paint these if you'd like. And there's my chicken. That's the interrupting chicken. Oops. There we go. Kind of looks like the one on your story, huh? So this is our interrupting chicken. If you join us here at the Children's Museum, you'll be able to make fun crafts like this. Make sure to check out our website, boys and girls. It is cmofbrownsville.com for more cool crafts like this. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.